Hey guys, Engineer Wannabe here, and this is the Tudor Black Bay 58 Blue. I recently repurchased this, traded my SBB 213 for this. This is a rebuy, and this time around I'm having a lot of fun with this Black Bay 58 because I don't have the issue of thinking about the bracelet. So I'm not constantly thinking about the clasp and how close the bracelet is to being usable, to being perfect. I'm just enjoying this on straps. And I was talking about this in Amin's live stream, so if you guys haven't checked it out, Amin Reviews, he does a Tuesday night live stream. It's a lot of fun, great group of guys. So I was talking about this, and a friend in the chat mentioned that Uncle Seiko does a half link. And I was talking about how there's an articulating link in the back of the bracelet that causes the clasp to be that much longer and becomes a bit of a problem. So size, the fit wasn't a problem for me. It was just the length of the effective length of the clasp. So if you want to go back and check out my review of the Black Bay 58, that was my issue. So this is when I said I just threw away the bracelet. Well, I was joking, but I pretty much just packed it away for whoever is going to be the next owner of this, because I'm not kidding myself. There's a good chance that I would sell this later on, but yeah, so I'm just taking these out of the box right now, and we're gonna check it out together, see if this fixes the issue. So I'll get to show you the clasp too, and the problem that I had with it. But yeah, so I right after the live stream, I went and checked out Uncle Seiko's website, and sure enough, they had a half link for the Tudor Black Bay 58 stock bracelet. They also had a couple of bracelets that I was tempted to get, and I only purchased one half link. I was kind of kicking myself after, because I was thinking, well, I got a really good fit the first time around with no half link. Now that there's going to be a half link, am I going to get an odd fit? And because of that, should I have gotten two half links? And I probably should have gotten two. Oh man, this is a pain in the neck. What was that guy, the tech guy, says anger levels are rising? Have you guys heard of that guy? Was it Flossie Carter? There you go. Anger levels are rising, guys. Anger levels. Oh man, what did I do? How did I do this? Of course it's okay. Let's see if I can just sneak it out of here. Oh buddy. Okay, there. That sucked. Okay, so this is what I was talking about. See this link here? It does not articulate, and so the effective length of this clasp, I believe, I'm not going to measure it. Well, I can measure it right now actually. 56. So my memory was right. Effective length of this clasp is 56 millimeters. Can you believe that? So it stuck out on both ends really for me. And this is what it came in with. Business card. Thank you for your order. Hey, look at that. Wish deals next coupon code. And let's measure it. Let's measure this link. Oh. And it comes with screws. Okay, let's give this a whirl. I'm gonna be doing this behind the camera, so hopefully I don't mess up. So there's a little spring bar there holding that flip lock, I think it's called, the security clasp. Very simple to take that one out. So once that goes out, let's put this one in there. does look quite a bit shorter. I didn't measure it, did I? Okay, here we go. Let's just measure the middle part. It should give us a good approximation. Oh, what is that? 8 millimeters. All right, approximately 10 millimeters. So really, it's not a half link. I didn't really expect it to be because can't really get half, but so 2 millimeters smaller. It's not that big of a difference, but I'm hoping that it adds to the articulation, so it becomes a bit more articulate, so to speak. Okay, so there you go. That's the back of it, and hopefully this works out. Not sure how it's gonna go, but yeah, I'm gonna size this bracelet now, guys, and I'll be back with the watch on the bracelet to see what it looks like. Okay, well, it's not completely sized yet, but I figured I will come in here and fast forward through. I'm getting there. I remeasured this now, so I'm not sure if I'll put another link in here, but generally I have to remove all the links at the 6 o'clock position. Haha, I have a small wrist. Yeah, I get it. And a couple of links from here. I'm not sure I'll have to change that, but now that I'm most of the way there, I figured I'd come back in. Why am I doing that? I can do it after. Okay, all right, that's the 6 o'clock position, which goes 6 o'clock. Cool. Let's get that in there. Oh man, I have like when it's been a long day, I get like this tremor. Shaky hands. I also have 3 kids, so sleep is a luxury. Guys, you think wristwatches are a luxury? Ha! Tell you what the real luxury is. Sleep. Okay, let's get this in there. I should tape the back of those lugs, but I'm being a little impatient right now. Oh, apologies for that. Not sure what's going on there. Oh, I know what's going on. My daughter's pretending to be a dinosaur. If you guys have kids, you guys probably know the whole Camp Cretaceous craze that's going on right now. Oh no. Oh, see, I hate doing that. Popped out through the back. It's putting a bit too much pressure. Pretty interesting, huh, guys? Pretty interesting. Yeah, and that's my youngest. He likes to pretend to cook, my youngest one. And I think he is just dumping all his toy pots and pans. That's the perfect amount of pressure. So you squeeze it down till we hear the click. Click, click. Come on. There we go. That's click number 1. All right. Click number 2 coming right up. Maybe this could be like ASMR. I have like this new lavalier microphone, and I'm not used to that, so I'm probably breathing right into it. So I'm really sorry if the audio is super breathy. How did two of my lights burnt out, guys? Oh, great. Remember how I said sleep is a luxury? Well, since this was an unplanned video, my kids do not know that I'm making one. And oh, I'm putting a bit too much pressure. I bet it'll go right through again. Ease up on the pressure. You know what, guys? Just gonna cheat a little bit because I'm being impatient. Come on, there we go. There we go. Good job. Look at that. Oh, there's something about the Black Bay 58 on a bracelet. It just looks so good. Hey, that's promising. That's really promising. So it did shave off exactly 2 mil. And finishing is bang on. So I am liking that. Okay, how many links? 2 links. What do you guys think? 2 links? I think so. I think so. All right. All right, kiddos. Let's get these 2 links off, shall we? Indubitably, indubitably. Yeah, I really shouldn't be doing this behind the camera. Okay. Off camera, but hopefully you guys can see. Takes 2 screws. Apologies for the breathiness. You know, I really like sizing Tudor bracelets. They don't use too much Loctite. You don't have to be too concerned about stripping the screw. Only thing you got to think about is getting that driver into the screw head without scratching it up a whole bunch. It just takes all the care out of, or all the anxiety out of sizing a bracelet. So I prefer Tudor's clasps and Tudor's bracelets. Oh no! Oh man, I slid that right over. Any damage? Nope. Okay, not doing it behind the camera. Look at your subject. Look at your subject. All right. It's actually starting to hurt my back. It's the first time I'm doing something like this behind the camera. Just a couple of tats, just a couple. Just a couple. Let's see how that fits. Let's see how that fits. All right, all right, all right. Look at that. Look at that. Oh. So I'm okay on this side. I am okay on that side. It is still long. It feels like a long clasp, and this clasp always feels like it's lying to me because it looks so small. But you know what, guys? I think that fixes it. So there's not this unsightly little protrusion coming out this way because the link was so long, and there's no unsightly protrusion on this way. If I try to move it down so that there's no unsightly protrusion on this side. So all the unsightly protrusions be gone. Good stuff. Okay guys, so that's a pretty long video. I'm actually very stoked about this. Thank you, Uncle Seiko. Not sponsored, guys. No freebies, no sponsors. I bought it, paid for overnight shipping, got it here in Canada in record time, and I'm glad I probably don't need a second one to kind of even it out. I should be able to back out one micro adjust and get a comfy fit here. So I'll keep you guys updated on how this goes. All right, guys, take care, stay safe. Remember, guys, time is short. You guys are really worth it. You guys are of infinite value, and I appreciate you all. Take care, everyone. Sorry about the bad lighting. Hope the audio is good. This thing died. This thing died. The only two lights running are the two that are plugged in. That's how it goes. Okay. Take care, everyone. Stay safe out there. Bye.